Let's crochet the adorable blue and white Myosotis in our bouquet. Each Myosotis consists of 7 small flowers, 2 leaves, and a sturdy stem. Retrieve the blue yarn and start with a magic ring. Hold the yarn in one hand and wrap it around your finger twice, creating 2 loops. Next, use your other hand to hold the yarn, then transfer the loops to this hand. Grip the bottom of the loops firmly to keep them secure. Insert your hook through the loop, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull it through the loop on the hook. This creates a chain stitch. After this, crochet 5 single crochet stitches. Let's demonstrate the first single crochet. Insert the hook into the large loop, yarn over, then draw the yarn through to form 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, then pull the hook through both loops at once to complete the first stitch. At this point, a V-shaped stitch will have formed. Pin a marker at the first stitch. Next, insert your hook into the loop. Continue with the remaining 4 single crochet stitches. After completing 5 single crochet stitches, stretch out the loop. Find the short tail of the yarn and pull it gently. Locate the moving yarn and pull it in the opposite direction until the circle closes. However, avoid pulling it too tightly. Leave enough space to insert the flower core. Firmly pull the short tail of the yarn to tighten the stitches. Insert the hook into the stitch where the marker is placed and make a slip stitch to close the circle. Then we make 5 petals in the second row. Here we already made a slip stitch. Now, crochet 3 chains. Then, crochet 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Proceed to the second double crochet at the same stitch. Continue with 2 chains, then complete the first petal by making a slip stitch in the same stitch. Start the second petal by making a slip stitch in the next stitch. Then, crochet 3 chains, followed by 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and a slip stitch in the same combination. Repeat this sequence to crochet the next 4 petals. After completing the last petal, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Then stretch out the loop and cut the yarn. Use a yarn needle to thread the yarn tail through to the back side. Grab the wire and cut a 5 inches length to create the flower core. Take the light yellow yarn and begin wrapping it around the wire, starting at a position 1 inch from the end. We'll wrap it from left to right. Then bend the wrapped wire into an oval shape, wrap both ends together, and secure the yarn in the middle. Cut the yarn and secure the tail in the middle. Insert the flower stamen into the center of the petal. Use the yarn needle to thread the yarn tail to the back. Attach the flower core to the petals. Wrap the blue yarn tail around the wire about 3 times. Next, take out the green thread and continue wrapping. Cut the yarn tails. Keep wrapping. Leave a 1-inch length of wire at the end and bend it upwards. Cut off the yarn. Once one little Myosotis flower is finished, repeat the same process to crochet the other 6 little flowers. Now, proceed to crochet the leaf part by taking out the wire and green yarn. Leave a 4 inches yarn tail and tie a single knot. Insert the hook into the loop and crochet 16 chains. Count to ensure there are 16 bolt-shaped stitches. Pin the marker at the lower half of the 15th chain, which is the second to last stitch. Press the wire to the back of the crochet piece, leaving a 5 inches length. Next, crochet a single crochet stitch with the wire hidden inside the stitch. Crochet into the upper half of the 15th chain. Make sure the hook inserted under the wire. You'll notice the wire is positioned between the working yarn and the loops. Next, crochet a half double crochet into the next stitch. Next, follow with 9 double crochet stitches. Continue to make 2 half double crochet stitches. Crochet a single crochet. Now, as we reach the tip of the leaf, crochet 2 single crochet stitches at the same stitch. Then, bend the wire and turn the piece. Continue with a single crochet at the same stitch. There are 3 single crochet stitches at the same leaf tip stitch. Next, crochet the other side, mirroring the stitch pattern from the opposite side. Begin with a single crochet stitch. Then 2 half double crochet stitches. Continue with 9 double crochet stitches. Then crochet a half double crochet. Crochet a single crochet in the last stitch. Make a slip stitch at the first stitch. Leave approximately a 6 inches length of yarn tail and then cut the yarn. Cut off the yarn tail. Next, wrap the yarn tail along the wire for about 1 inch and clip it in the middle of the wire. Crochet the other leaf in the same way. Take out the green stalk and insert it into the middle of the 7 flowers, leaving a stem length of 2.5 inches. Place 1 flower in the middle, and arrange the other 6 around it. Bend the stem of the flower into the desired position. Take out the green yarn and wrap it from the top. After wrapping approximately 1.5 inches, adding a leaf to the stem. Wrap for about 0.5 inch in length and join the other leaf. Continue wrapping to the bottom. Crochet 2 more blue Myosotis flowers and 3 white Myosotis flowers. Place the blue Myosotis flowers in the upper, middle, and lower positions. Then, take the green yarn and wrap them. Use the same method to make the white one.